So good evening ma'am. Today I am going to present my project called Smart City App, which is a citizen-centric platform developed using Flutter, Dart and Firebase. So the problem statement that in today's cities people may face daily problems such as garbage overflow, potholes, water leakages, electricity failures, damaged roads and public safety issues. So the major problem is that there is no fast, transparent and user-friendly communication between the citizen and the government authorities. So many complaints are ignored, delayed, and are not tracked properly. So citizens do not know where to report, whom to contact, or whether actions has been taken or not. So this creates frustrations and affects the development of the smart cities. So to solve this issue, I have came up with my solution is Smart City app. So my application provides a digital platform where citizens can report city problems instantly, upload images, share live locations, track complaint status, and communicate with their local community. So, this system creates a bridge between citizens and the government authorities and improves transparency and response time. So, the technologies I have used in my projects are for front end, I have used the Flutter framework and the Dart programming languages, which is associated with the Flutter. Second is backend. So for the backend I have used Firebase real-time database, and the additional technologies I have used is OpenStreetMap geolocator package for automatic GPS location, voice to text APIs and Grok LLM for AI chatbot. So let's talk about the features of my project is the first screen of my application is the dashboard. So in the dashboard, user can see city problems, issue statistics, problem categories and recently reported complaints. So this give users a complete overview of what is happening in their cities. So let's move towards the report issue model. Here user can capture an image directly from the camera or upload an image from the gallery. So I'm uploading the image. Now the application automatically captures the GPS location using the geocalculator package. So user now have to select categories such as garbage, water, road, electricity, fallen trees and other. So I am choosing here the fallen tree. There is also a text description section where user can explain the problem in detail, and additionally I have implemented a voice to text feature allowing users to describe issues using voice commands or easier accessibility. So let's test it. Road blockage due to fallen tree. Now the most important or the special features are report anonymously and emergency mode. For the report anonymously, user can hide their identity while reporting the sensitive issues. So this encourages more citizens to report the problems without fear or hesitation. And I have also added an emergency mode. If the issue is highly critical or needs a very urgent attention within 2 to 3 days, so user can mark it as an emergency report. So after filling all the details, the user submits the report and the data is stored in the Firebase real-time database. So our issue is reported successfully. Now let's move towards the another important feature is map view system. I have used OpenStreetMap for displaying all the reported problems visually on the map, so user can see the pending problems, emergency issues, in progress complaints and resolved issues. So each problem is represented using a small icon based on its category. For example, for garbage icon, road issue problem, water leakage icon, and I have also added a filter here, which it is the filter issue based on the categories such as garbage, water drainage, potholes, electricities and fallen trees. So I'm selecting the garbage. Now you can see the three small icons with the different colors. So the green color represents the resolved issue and the orange color represents the in progress issues, and the red color means the emergency mode. So this helps user and authorities to identify problem in different cities easily. So let's move towards another feature is AI chatbot. So I have used here that Grok LLM. So user can ask day-to-day questions related to the city services and the complaint procedures, or for the emergency contacts as well. Road blockage problem due to fallen tree, what to do? Yes, so the AI chatbot has given the solution for my problem. So this improves the user interaction, and it also supports the availability. Now uh, the another important feature is the city leaderboard. So to make the system more engaging and gamified, I have implemented a city leaderboard. So in this section, cities are ranked based on the number of reported issues, citizen participations, and problem solving initiatives. So this feature motivates people and local authorities to improve their area and encourages healthy competition between the cities. And another one is this community chat. So it is somewhat a unique feature, that for example users from the Pimpri Chinchwad area can communicate with each other regarding local issues, updates, and the safety concerns, and all of this included as a community discussion. So this helps build stronger local collaboration. Now this is the admin panel. So I have developed an admin panel for the government authorities, which is a future scope for the government API integration. Using this admin dashboard, so officials can view all the complaints, monitor the issues categories, and check emergency reports and track all the priorities. Admins and also admins can update issues such as pending, in progress, and resolved. So here you can see the pending issues, the in progress issues, and the resolved issues. So authorities can prioritize issues depending on the urgency. So this makes complaint management easier and more transparent. So this is it. So in conclusion, the smart city app helps create smarter, cleaner, and more connected cities. So it improves the communication between the citizens and the government authorities by providing the transparency, emergency handling, and real-time issue reporting. So my project combines all of these modern technologies with practical life problem solving to contribute towards the smart city development. Thank you.